Hello, my lovely friends. How have you been? I hope you have been good, doing great, fantastic, and enjoying every moment of your life. If I talk about me, I'm also doing great, fantastic, and enjoying every moment of my life as much as I can. So, along with all those enjoyment, we should not forget about our desires, dreams, goals, and our responsibilities, right? We can fulfill our desires, goals, dreams by doing hard work, by putting effort, little by little efforts every day. And we can take great responsibilities by taking little responsibilities every day, right? So friends, that is the reason I am here to do spoken English practice. So, there is a great connection between learning English and fulfilling my dreams. So, friends, let's start our today's spoken English practice. So, today's topic is children's responsibilities towards their parents. So, everybody knows nowadays every person is selfish. Every person means maximum person is selfish, right? So every parents raised their children with love, care, and a lot of sacrifices. They bear a lot of pain raising their children. They have to bear a lot of pain, a lot of if parents if parents don't have food for eat, if parents don't have clothes for wear, if parents don't have shelter to stay, what they always try to protect first their children. They always try to protect from everything to their children. But after growing up, what children do? They often, maximum children, what do? They throw out their parents from home, and they get busy in their own life. They forget about their responsibilities. They forget their parents' sacrifices, their parents' love, pain. They forget all about. Every parents try to give good education, and uh, good food, good clothes, good shelter to stay. But after growing up, they often get busy in their own life and they forget everything what parents did in their childhood. The boys in my village are really very nice. They are obedient, they listen to their parents, and they are really very friendly. But I don't know after getting married what happens to them. There is a boy named, sorry, I would not take his name. So he got married a few months ago, and he was before getting married he was very friendly, and we used to sit, we used to talk, laughed, and we were not just one or two, we were five or six, and we often we would laugh, talk, and sit. So after getting married he started maintaining distance from us, and he starts listening to his parents, and neither neither he listens nor his wife listens to them. So just after few days of marriage, they separated, which, and he starts stopping listens to his parents. Neither he listens to his parents nor his wife. None of them listens to their parents. So, friends, some days ago, his parents were his all world. But just after getting married, I don't know what happens to his. He stopped, totally stopped. He totally stopped talking to his parents. So he forget all their pain, all their sacrifices, and he just want to stay with his wife only. And I don't know how the woman who is his wife now, she also has his own mother and father. Doesn't she know about their love? If she can understand her mother's pain, sacrifices, why she doesn't understand the boy's mother's, parents' sacrifices and pain? So nowadays, everyone tries to maintain distance, tries to be separated from their parents. तो दिस इज मतलब ये हालात है हमारी यहाँ का. So we don't know what happen in next generation. So friends, we should not forget about our parents' sacrifices. We should always respect our parents. And some children, what they do, they start humiliate their parents among people. So this is the worstest thing. I believe this is the worstest thing. We should not do this, because they get a lot of hurt. Get hurt when when their children try to humiliate them in front of people, in front of others. So friends, this is the topic I wanted to share with you. So friends, at first, to reach our goal, to fluent English, what do we have to do? At first, we have to get command on basic conversation, or basic skills. After that, we can move ahead to intermediate level conversation or advanced level conversation. But if we want to become fluent, then at first we have to know how to do basic conversation in English. So that's why I am not trying to use any tough words or tough vocabularies in my conversation. I'm just trying to use whatever in which words I'm comfortable. So friends, this is what I wanted to share with you. If you liked my video, then please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.